With 150 acres, Park La Brea really is, a little city. We're larger than Disneyland, to put it into perspective for you. We are 4,250 units. We have a 4-acre park, 2 2-acre parks. The green space in Park La Brea truly becomes our differentiator.
And there was a real opportunity for them to get significant water savings in their landscape and irrigation.
Looking at the UgMO system, a program that was presented to us that was doing business much differently than we had ever thought.
Our previous system, the connectivity between different devices was a real challenge, and you would have the data pushed to the devices and it would be good for a day, but then the weather report would change. What we have now can still get all that data, but it doesn't need it because it's truly just measuring the moisture content that's in the soil right now.
With UgMO, oftentimes what we will find is there's a lot of overwatering, but we will find also areas that were underwatered. So while we will water some zones more than they had been in the past, if you aggregate all of the zones together, we're still going to save that 30 to 60%.
This had not only the incentives, but the guarantee savings.
One of the nice things that came out of this, we got a really good comprehensive survey of our system, and all the leaks and issues that we had that we didn't know about before kind of showed themselves real quickly, and we've repaired all of that.
It's not just that they're going to get 23 million gallons a year in water savings, but the plants are actually going to be healthier.
If you think about all of the water that is wasted by overwatering, any one zone, and if you think of Park La Brea with 717 active zones that we have a sensor in, by saving, even if it's a minute per zone, per night, that's 717 minutes of savings there.
Being first can be scary for some organizations, but not for Park La Brea. They want to be a poster child for the new application of technologies in their facilities, which are significant. It's like a city. It's the largest multifamily complex west of the Mississippi.
The goal for Park La Brea as it relates to sustainability is to make sure that we are always part of the conversation, that we're part of the thought process of being the innovator because of our imprint in Los Angeles.
It's interesting to see that when we do something small, the volume that we get in the entirety is huge compared to what each individual gets. You might think, oh, I'm going from a 2-gallon a minute to a 1.5 or a half gallon. How much impact is that going to have? It's a lot more than you think.
So when you have, partners within the organization to help you make those decisions, like the Harrys of the world and our asset management team and our ownership that really is behind positive change, it just makes it so much easier.